Unit 8, Problem 3. Here we have solve for A. It's difficult to see, but we have a right angle here. We have this angle congruent to this angle. We have a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. And we have to solve for A. Now, we could do a lot of trig and find it that way, but we have similar right triangles. This is a right triangle because we have two congruent angles, so they're similar by angle, meaning the third angle is also congruent. Geometric mean tells us that 3 squared is equal to 4 times A. So A is 9 divided by 4. We're done. This is a geometric mean problem. The geometric mean says that the altitude to the hypotenuse of a right triangle divides the right triangle into two similar triangles. We're done with number 3. Geometric mean can be very, very useful. Problem 4. Find the value of W and then of X. Round measurements to the nearest tenth. Well, we have an angle of 42 degrees. We have an opposite side of 10. We need to find the adjacent side. We know nothing about the hypotenuse, so the only trig function we can use is tangent. And the tangent of 42 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. Remember, adjacent means next to. Last semester we had adjacent angles. Now we have an adjacent side length. The tangent of 42 degrees is opposite over adjacent is 10 divided by W. So now W times the tangent of 42 degrees is equal to 10, but I need W to be all by itself, so I divide both sides of my equation by the tangent of 42 degrees. And that's going to give me W. W is equal to 10 divided by the tangent of 42 degrees. So on my calculator, I can say 10 divided by the tangent of 42 degrees is 11.1. Was my calculator in degrees? Yes, it was, so that was lucky. I should have checked before I started. So W is equal to 11.1. What else do I need to find? Oh, I need to find X. X is here. And this will be a very similar problem. The tangent of 27 degrees is going to be equal to 10 divided by this base length here, the base length is equal to 10 divided by the tangent of 27 degrees. So 10 divided by the tangent of 27 degrees is 19.6. W is 11.1, so I subtract that, giving me X as 8.5. Problem 5. AC is 17. What's the measure of AB? This is 45 degrees. This is a right angle, therefore this is 45 degrees. This is 17, this has to be 17, and my hypotenuse is 17 times the square root of 2.